Hi, my name's Dan from Wellcare, the Development Manager for our Air at Strathalbyn project, and I'm here to provide you with a construction update. As you can see around me, site cuts are progressing well, houses are in construction. It's exciting to see this community come together. We're currently standing here in stage 2, where you can see bulk earthworks largely complete. We've also got water, sewer and electrical infrastructure currently being installed. Thank you for joining me on this construction update. I look forward to providing you more information soon.